Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made Italian beef combo. This is Italian beef. This is the bottom round that I made up and seasoned up. And I will leave you guys a link up here somewhere to all of them, okay? I have some sweet peppers right here. I have some jardinera. I'll leave you a link to that too. I already made this up. So that's how that looks. All right. I have some provolone cheese right here. I sliced up. I got sliced this up. And I have some bread. All right. This is Toronto. Alright, so this is what we're going to do, because I'm doing this for a party. So happy birthday go out to my bro, Baby, aka B-Dog. So yeah, I'm going to go, matter of fact, I'm just going to cut this. So I got to slice. A lot of slicing. I did cook this for like 2.5 hours on 250 degrees. And that's how it looks. Just like that, guys. Show you that up close. Alright. Alright, so we're going to slice these bad boys up. Take you over there and let you see me slice some, and I'm going to finish the rest up. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and start slicing this up. Let me set this super thin. I think that's about thin as I want it. Give me a piece of paper, liner or something. And over here, I'm going to see what we got. Alright. So that's still kind of thick. You can see that. So we want to thin it than that. We want to come back a little bit more. Yeah. You see we get a little bit thinner. Okay, it's really good. Of course. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm surprised. I've been doing these Italian beef for a long time. Yeah, that's paper thin, guys. Paper thin. All right. I'm making about 24 of these sandwiches. Thinner. Yeah, just like that. That's what I want right there. Yep, see how thin that is, guys? That's super thin. Super thin. Look at that. You see my fingers through that. That's how thin that is. Alright? Yep, so I'm going to continue doing this and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay fam, here I am at the next stage. All I'm doing is putting in this au juice and letting it sit in here for about 2 to 3 minutes, and we're going to start fixing our sandwiches up with the cheese and all the other stuff. Alright, and I do have some Italian sausage that I'm going to be using. I need to take those out the oven, keeping those warm. Let me see if I can get this out. Alright, those that. These are the Italian sausage right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take these over there and hook them up. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. All I did was took some provolone cheese, 2 slices on each of these bread, and I did put some these Italian sausage in there, and we're just gonna come with our meat. That's how the meat look. Just gonna take some of that and put it on there. Just like that, guys. It's only kind of full. So yeah, that's all you're gonna do. They already got a sausage in there, right? So you get a sausage, it's a combination. I like to show the sausage in there, so some people don't like sausage, so they'll know they got one with a sausage or whatever the case may be. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up. And these right here, just plain ones with no sausage. So guys, I'm gonna leave a link down there for you guys if you want to buy one of them Beswood slicer. It's really helpful. Very helpful. Saves a lot of money and time. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing all these and I'll show you how they all look. See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay guys, here it is, right here. You guys can see that. Scoot that jar back some. That's it. Right there. Italian beef combo from my home to your home. Hope you guys enjoy this. And please don't forget to hit that bell for me. Just like that. That's right. So you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love. And I'm out.